So welcome back, guys. It's your boy Akahilz. In this tutorial we're going to look into how to verify your Centbee wallet address. Now all you need to do, click on the Centbee app. I just clicked on it. Make sure you've downloaded it on your Play Store, guys. So when you click on it directly, it's going to open up. So for those people that are currently having issues not opening up on your device, you want to try it on someone else's device, you can try it. Make sure you save your phrase. Once you're done doing it, you can log out and uninstall the app, then just for you to be able to link it to your Nitda wallet or your fifth wallet. So our wallet just opened and you can see the current price of BSV. Now my BSV, I've not currently spent most of them. My recommendation is that you could decide to spend some and leave some because of the fact that the price is usually appreciating value. So we're currently heading towards the bull market, and later on I'll be telling you guys how much I've made so far. But if I click here, you should see some of our earnings so far. So I'm just going to click on it. So you can see we've gotten about 1 BSV. That's about 22k plus. So this is just what we've been able to earn. So if, what you need to do now, in order for you to get access to this, click on this top icon there. So I'm going to click on it. Then you want to click on this place that says top up. This place that says top up. Now when you click on top up, it's going to take you directly here where you're going to see the begin verification steps. Now I'm going to click on begin verification. So make sure you have your ID card available. So for me, I'm going to be using my PVC. So make sure you have your PVC, guys. I'm going to use my PVC here. It currently has your date of birth and also your names attached. I think your date of birth and address, that's what they need in completing your KYC. So I'm just going to use that. So I'm going to wait for the system to load up. It said loading verification system. So you wait a little bit. So once it opens up, you click on continue. So I'm going to click on continue here. This place here says continue, let's verify your identity. So click on continue. So you're going to do two things: facial verification, and you can use your driver's license. You can use your driver's license. You can use your identity card. Identity card is where you can use your NIN. So if you want to use your NIN, make sure you're using the premium one. You can go over to the app Play Store to download that one. That one has your date of birth and other details. Then there's the passport. That's for international passport, residence permit, and there's also your voter's ID. So I'm using my voter's ID. Click on continue. So make sure you have your PVC, guys. For Nitda Nigerian users, you need to participate in your election and hopefully vote the right candidate, guys. So I'm going to wait for this to load up. So guys, it says you should get your documents ready. Then you click on continue. So I'm going to use the camera now, front camera. So I'll be blowing out the details later on. I'm just going to take this picture. So that's it. We just took the front camera. I'm going to wait for it to load up a little bit. Then we'll take the back of the ID. I think the back, there's usually nothing at the back. There's a noise, so kindly bear with the background noise, guys. So we're going to wait up a little bit for this to load up. Once it's done loading up, we're going to start the one for the back ID. So while this is loading, I'll just pause this video so it doesn't be long, guys. So this is for the back ID, guys. This is the back one. This is it. So first of all, you wait for the first one to load up. Once it's done loading up, before you impute the second one. So you can see here the first one has loaded up already, so it's remaining the back one, but you might not be able to see it because I'm going to blur out some of the details. I'll just blur it out because of the details are usually confidential. We're waiting for this to load up, guys. So this is it, guys. It's done. Click on submit. So I'm going to click on submit. You're still going to be required to do a facial one. Facial one meaning you need to see your face, guys. So I think once I click on submit, that's just the only one that is going to remain. I think so. Okay, hold your face tight and take selfie. So let's go, guys. So make sure you are in a place that is very bright. Place that is very bright. So make sure you're in a place that is very bright. So I'm currently using So that's it, guys. I just did the facial verification. So I just uploaded it now. So your screen, I don't know how your screen is going to look like. I decided to blur out some of the details because I might just decide to blur out some of the details, guys. But either way, this is it. We've captured the facial, done the selfie, we've uploaded the ID card, and this is how to do it. So what don't doing this, you should receive a feedback later on. You should receive a feedback, let's say within 2-3 days. So click on submit. You click on submit. So it says uploading images and submitted successfully. So Team Centbee is going to review your application and get back to you within a matter of days, guys. So meanwhile, what you want to do is just keep using the app. You can change your profile picture, change theme, do what you want to do. So I just change the theme. You can just chat, you can receive, you can check your map, you can do whatever you want to do, guys. So I'm going to show you the ones for some people that have been verified. Let me show you the screenshot. So here it is, guys. This is one of the ID verification that somebody completed. So you say you verified. So this is how it's going to look like. Then for bonus tips, guys, I'm going to drop the link to Binance as well as KuCoin. These are exchanges that you can register on, and when you register on these exchanges, you get access to lots of benefits like airdrops. You can also participate in you can buy tokens, you can invest in token projects. So let's say, and you can also withdraw your token directly from your Centbee wallet, because BSV is also available on KuCoin. So you can withdraw directly and sell it here on the B2B marketplace. I'll do a separate video, guys, on how to go about that tutorial, guys. But this is it. This is our wallet. There are lots of stuff going on here. So if you have questions, I'll put a link in the description box below where you can join our WhatsApp community. You get free support. Or these are tokens, guys. So the way it works, when you buy a token, it could appreciate in value and you get returns. And it's not financial advice, but also you could also participate in free airdrops and win lots of funds, guys. So peace out, to grow love with Akahilz. So this works directly as your normal traditional banks, guys. One love, guys. Peace out. Stay safe and see you in our future uploads, guys. So guys, before I forget, I will just go notification, guys. Look at the notification that look at it, guys. It says our ID verification has just been successful, guys. 5 minutes. It's not up to you, just do this within 5 minutes. You can see we open some funds, guys. These are some funds you get on a regular basis when you use the Centbee app, guys. Use the Centbee app. One love, guys. Your bike is. Stay tuned for more. This year 2023 and lots of fun. So this is massive, guys. This is massive. So my Centbee app is booming, guys. So make sure I'm gonna do the illustration. I'm gonna show you guys the current updates now. Let me just log into the app so you guys will see it. Let me log into the app. So this whole process did not take up to 10 minutes, although the video is a little bit long, but it didn't take up to 10 minutes, guys. So Team Blockchain, make sure you read about it, guys. Post this video. So guys, I just logged in now. You can see we checked here earlier on during the start of this video. You can see what we checked. We checked here earlier on. So I'm going to click on it again so you guys will see where it's currently at now. So you can see we're currently at 1.3, and it went from 22 to about 26, guys. So guys, jump on this as soon as possible, guys. Start using it. Make sure you use the app chat. Send it to your friends to register, and don't forget, if you want to register, our ID is Akahilz. Just use only the word Akahilz. That's what you use. Only the word Akahilz. Don't put centbee.com. Just use only the word Akahilz, Akahilz. And if I click on the top of now, it's going to show you that you've been verified successfully. Now you can easily top up whatever you want to top up, guys. So I'm just going to click on top up. Let's see what's here, because we don't really see this feature initially. Nigeria. So currently in Nigeria. For now, there are no options available, but I think there will be options required by local road. Okay, so there will be options available later on, and you can also send your funds. If you want to send funds, click. You can use your wallet or whatever. Peace out, guys. It's your bike. Stay tuned for more, and one love, guys. Don't forget to register on the links in the comment section. Any issues, let me know. It's your bike, guys.